Hello, my name is Oliswa. I'm from South Africa, from the beautiful city of Pietermaritzburg. I am a certified ESL teacher. I have been teaching English online for the past 4 years. I have experience teaching both children and adults. I have taught children from the ages of 3 up until the ages of 16, and I have taught adults up until the ages of 65. I will begin my lesson. Hello, my name is Teacher Xoliswa. Welcome to Magic Ears. Now tell me, what is your name? Amy, nice to meet you, Amy. Now say for me, Amy, my name is Amy. Good job. Well done, Amy. Now tell me, Amy, are you happy or are you sad? Are you happy or are you sad, Amy? You are happy. Good job, Amy. So, Amy, today's lesson, we are going to look at 2 letters of the alphabet. Are you ready to get started? Let's go, Amy. So, Amy, say for me, big M. Good job, Amy. Again, big M. Well done, Amy. You get a golden star. Now say for me, Amy, little M. Good job. Again, little M. Good job, Amy. You get a golden star. Well done. Now, Amy, say for me, moon. Moon. Good job, Amy. Say for me, moon. Well done, Amy. You get a golden star. Good job. Now, Amy, our second letter. Say for me, Amy, big N. Good job. Again, big M. Well done, Amy. You get a golden star. Now, Amy, say for me, little N. Good job. Again, little N. Good job, Amy. You get a golden star. Well done. Now say for me, Amy, nurse. Good job. Again, nurse. Well done, Amy. You get a golden star. Good job. So, Amy, the letters that we learned today are M and N. So let's go over them again, okay? Say for me, big M. Good job. Good job, Amy. Now say for me, Amy, little M. Well done. Well done. Great job. You get a golden star. Now say for me, Amy, moon. Moon. Good job. Well done. Now say for me, Amy, big N. Good job. Now say for me, little N. Good job, Amy. You get a golden star. Now say for me, Amy, nurse. Nurse. Good job. Now say for me, nurse. Good job, Amy. You get a golden star. Now, Amy, let's go over today's letter again. So tell me, Amy, is this a big or a little M? Big N. Good job. Well done, Amy. Now tell me, is this a big or a little M? Little M. Good job. You get a golden star. Now, Amy, tell me, what can you see? Moon. Good job. Excellent, Amy. Well done. Now tell me, Amy, is this a big or a little N? Good job, a big N. Now tell me, Amy, what about this? Is this a big or a little N? Good job, little N. Well done, Amy. Another golden star. So tell me, Amy, what can you see? Nurse. Good job, Amy. Well done. So, Amy, good job today. You get another golden star. So, Amy, you did very well today. So, good job. I will see you next time. Goodbye for now. Goodbye, Amy.